Alright, this is Miles here. I'm working on fixing my valves on my 1982 Honda XL250. Running into some problems, and I'm hoping that this video can explain things a little bit better than I can just writing things down on the forums. I really appreciate all the feedback I've gotten on Thumper Talk so far. It's been really helpful. I'm hoping that this video can kind of help explain things and get this job done. So I'm on top dead center right now. I'm gonna run through the steps I took again just to make sure I'm doing it right. So piston is at the top right now. The T mark is all lined up in here. So I'm turning it counterclockwise. Now intake valves are opening. Air is coming in on the intake stroke. Piston's going down. Piston is coming back up on compression stroke. Now it's going back down as the cylinder fires. Exhaust valves are opening, coming back up to press out. It's top dead center on the exhaust stroke now. Intake valves are opening again. Air is coming into the motor as the piston goes down. Piston's at the bottom, it's coming back up, compressing the air, and now it is on top dead center on the compression stroke. So we got our T lined up there. All right, so what I did is I got the intake valves all adjusted out to 0.05. Those are fine. My problem's coming in with these exhaust valves. So the more I loosen one of them, the other one will just get tight. So, and then I can just kind of alternate between the two, and no matter what, the spring is just getting it as close to the rocker as it can. I can never get a gap on both of them at the same time. So I'm thinking my problem might be related to, I feel like you can kind of see the play in the exhaust rocker here, which I know is supposed to be there, and I'm glad to see that, but there is no such play in the intake rocker at all. See, I can't get it to move. I mean, there's like the slightest amount of play where I can kind of feel the gap that I made, but it's essentially nothing. Not like any of the other videos I've seen around on the internet. So I'm pretty confused, not being able to find that gap. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can get there to be play in both, or if I need to take the top off and check some other things, or I know one of the suggestions was that there was lateral play in this rocker arm. I'm not sure how I can test whether there's lateral play. I've pulled it around a little bit and haven't really been able to feel any lateral play on the rocker shaft with the exhaust rocker arm. So just keep them coming. I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit right now and see if I can't come up with anything else. All right, thanks guys.